Jennifer waliwo TV zebaggyeko ne radio
babiggyeko lwaki
ebigambo ngenda kubikusomera wano baziggyeko UCC bakirangiridde ne bagamba nti kyawale ku mukutu gwa NAB kangunoonye wano National Association of Broadcasters NAB eyo gye Katonda gye yatuteeka mu National Association of Broadcasters bagamba breaking news UCC Uganda Communications Commission has ordered the shutdown of 11 stations across the country for operating illegally. The UCC Executive Director Nyombi Tembo issued the order on Tuesday, but today wano eliyo Mayuge 99.3, eliyo Kasanda 98.8, eliyo 98.8 ni Mubende, eliyo Green Radio Wachikumunya FM, eliyo Green Community Green Radio Yechiboga, eliyo the decision was reached following nyingi IFM in Narugori in Iganga bagamba into the station's operations and aired content which in Nyombi Tembo breached the standards related to unethical programming and failure to adhere to license agreements. Bamalago gwera bigambo wano. Bagamba you are not supposed to operate without a license. They are not licensed, but compliance is the problem. You don't see any professionalism. Radios are becoming centers of abuse. They are abusing everybody. They are abusing leaders. They are abusing each other. This is undermines the integrity of the sector and must stop. Nagamati zikuru bazikunyuddeko baziggyeko bagamba ebigambo bingi nnyo the tragedy shows ndaze bogeddeko zebagamba nti nazo ezifo ezidda mu sabula mulimu eyitibwa sabula uncut sabula Kalakata Sipaka TV Aban TV Sonsomola ezimusizuulirangako Evening Zone ABS Baba TV Poko BBS TV Roundabout Dream TV Tikitaka Sesetula Kingdom TV Chapachi STV Select EB kakati abatalina akasenge janga boogera bonna bali targeted one tugamba nti bagamba nti the UCC stated that the decision followed numerous complaints from the public about these programs breaching the minimum broadcasting standards.
Download the Salt Media app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.